हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा टॉपिक होगा एसी सर्किट। एंड बिफोर लर्न अबाउट एसी सर्किट, जस्ट आई विल इंस्ट्रक्ट यू अबाउट द कोविड-19 अप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर। यू ऑल नो कि हम सभी को कोविड-19 के प्रति थोड़ा सा सतर्क रहने की ज़रूरत है। तो प्लीज़ फॉलो द 3 thumb rule or important rules about the COVID-19 behavior. These are: to wear the mask properly when you are in the crowded place. Second, to follow the physical distancing and try to not go in the crowded place. Third, मेंटेन हैंड हाइजीन। ठीक है, आपको अपने हाथ को प्रॉपरली आफ्टर 1.5 धोते रहना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ सॉप। बट अगर आप ऐसे प्लेसेस पे हो जहाँ पे आपको पानी अवेलेबल नहीं है तो प्लीज़ यूज़ द सैनिटाइजर टू मेंटेन हैंड सैनिटाइजर। थैंक यू। ओके, नाउ वी स्टार्ट today's topic with AC circuit. Usually we have 6 type of circuits like AC with only resistance, AC circuit with only inductor, AC circuit with only capacitor. After that, AC circuit with resistance and inductor. Next is AC circuit with resistance and capacitor. And then after we learn very most important part of the LCR circuit, that is AC circuit with RLC, R for resistance, L for inductor and C for capacitor. And this is also known very commonly pronunciated as LCR circuit. ठीक है। Now student, first the 3 main components which we used here, how they obstruct the current or how they control the current, just understood about. For the resistance only, in the second unit you learn the Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, when the simple circuit having a resistance and flowing a current, then you will see the behavior of the voltage as increase in current is given by a straight line. In this straight line gives the value of R, or we say the obstruction in the flow of current. ठीक है। So when we draw the graph, we observe the current is always smaller than the value of voltage because of this region. And we have an example also. If we apply a potential of 100 volt and the resistance has some value taken 2, we get the current in the circuit is 50 ampere, which is smaller than the value of voltage. So in the simple circuit, the resistance in the circuit having resistance only, the current and the voltage in the same direction, and the reactance in this particular case is given by I is equal to V upon R, and here this reactance R is equal to I ठीक है, I upon 1 minute. This reactance is given by V upon I. This is the first circuit. In the second circuit, one thing also student, the potential is applied in the form of the sinusoidal wave, that is V is equal to V naught sin omega t. Many books we are used only the EMF in place of potential. कई बुक्स में E naught sin omega t की यूज करते हैं, and the same thing is. Second is when the AC circuit with inductor only. This is the diagram for this. Okay, when the AC circuit linked with only inductor, then we observe the circuit in this way. And in the last class हमने इसको पढ़ा है कि when the inductor is introduced in the path of current or AC current, then the current is always lags behind the potential. Similarly, if the potential across the inductor is given by this equation V naught sin omega t, then it is observed that initially the voltage is leads, then current, then after the value of inductance is observed, and this is the phasor diagram for the circuit with inductor only. Okay, then it is observed that the current in the inductor across is given by VL sin omega t upon XL. ठीक है, ये आपके पास इसके लिए डायग्राम हो जाएगा. एंड आफ्टर इंटीग्रेशन वी कैन कैलकुलेट दिस करंट इज इक्वल टू VLC इज इक्वल टू cos omega t. एंड cos omega t इसको जब हम सॉल्व करेंगे देन वी गेट द वैल्यू इज sin omega t minus pi by 2. This explain or give an idea that the current in the inductor is always lags behind with the capacitor or with the potential across the circuit. And next is AC with capacitance only. This is the diagram for the situation, and the current across this is given by Vc sin omega t upon Xc. Xc is the value of resistance across the capacitor. When we calculate this again, we will get the result is Vc sin omega t plus pi by 2. Here we get the result is positive Vc upon Xc cos omega t. Cos omega t को we need to write in the form of sin omega t. So we are in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant sin omega t plus pi by 2 gives the value of cos omega t. Hence we find here in the capacitance the current always leads the potential by a phase difference or phase angle phi. Okay, now हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दिस AC सर्किट इज AC with resistance and inductor. And okay, when the AC circuit, just here students, the value of XL is given by the omega L. Here L is inductance and omega is angular velocity, and we have a relation for omega is 2 pi nu, where nu is frequency. Therefore the value of XL or inductive inductance is 2 pi nu L. एक को ये रिजल्ट आपको याद रखना है. And second, value of Xc is 1 upon omega c, and here again we use this, so we will get this result is 2 pi nu c. This is your second result which you have to learn. Okay, now when the AC circuit with resistance and inductance, this is AC current. Now the resistance of the resistor is R and the resistance of the inductor is XL. Therefore the potential across resistance is VR and the potential across the inductance is VL. Okay, just before previous situation we learned that the current and voltage in the same phase, but in inductor the current is lags behind the inductor by a phase pi by 2. Clear? This is voltage across and this is the phase difference pi by 2 across. By using the phasor diagram for the situation, if current I0 is passing from the circuit, then the voltage across the resistance is given on the current axis, that is VR, and you find here स्टूडेंट कि जब यहाँ से करंट फ्लो करेगा, सपोज कि V वोल्ट हमारे पास है और इनिशियल यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस ने यूज कर लिया करंट को, तो ये एक वोल्टेज का कुछ पार्ट यहाँ से टेकअप कर लेगा और जो लेस वोल्टेज बचेगा V माइनस वी आर, वो हमारे पास इंडक्टर को के लिए मिलने वाला है. तो इट इज वेरी क्लियर, द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द इंडक्टर Vm is smaller than Vr. Okay, when we take the resultant value of the voltage, it is calculated by the using the parallelogram law of vector addition. Therefore, this we get the resultant velocity value of the voltage. O, this is point A and this is B, and here is O. By using this phase diagram, this is known as phasor diagram. Phasor diagram. Okay. Now, with the help of phasor diagram, it is calculated that the value of voltage. This angle is 90. Therefore, value of voltage OB is equal to, now OB is equal to under root of VR square plus VL square. Clear? Therefore, here we have OB is value of V, then we get from here V is given by IR square and VL is given by IXL square. Then after we get from here the value of V is equal to I is common and it is R square plus XL square. Okay, this is the potential across the circuit containing resistance and the voltage. This is relative value. Now, if V potential is applied across the circuit, which is given by V naught sin omega t, therefore the reactance of the circuit, or we say impedance of the circuit offered in the flow of path, or in the path of current, is given by the resulting potential of these two. ठीक है, so this result we get V is equal to I under root R square plus XL square and here I V upon I. ये जो बनेगा हमारे पास, this is called reactance of the circuit containing R and resistance and inductance. So this result is R square and here we use the value of this XL is omega square L square. ठीक है, here this ratio is called Z is equal to under root R square plus omega square L square, where this Z is equal to impedance of the circuit, impedance of circuit. Okay. Now the direction of the voltage, this is the phase angle phi, therefore we have the value of perpendicular and base, therefore tan phi is equal to, calculate by using AB upon OA, this value is VL upon VR, ठीक है, VL upon VR. Now what is the value of VL? VL we have IXL and VR we have I into R. This I is cancelled, therefore we get the value of angle of resistance, reactant value of potential is tan phi is equal to XL upon XL upon R. This is the phase angle difference between the reactant potential across the circuit containing resistance and reactant. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट नोट हो गया. ओके, नेक्स्ट सर्किट हम यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं when resistance and capacitor in the circuit. Okay. When a capacitor is linked with resistance in the AC circuit having a capacitance XC or reactance XC, and it is observed that the current is leads of phase pi by 2, then voltage across the circuit. तो ये हमारे पास इसका एक सर्किट डायग्राम होगा एंड द फेजर डायग्राम फॉर इट इज x y y dash, this is point O. This line is gives the direction of the current across the resistance, and again resistance कुछ पार्ट ऑफ पोटेंशियल को यूज कर लेगा और रेस्ट पार्ट हमारे को कैपेसिटर के लिए मिलेगा. तो इट इज ऑब्जर्व दैट वोल्टेज अक्रॉस कैपेसिटर इज VC and it is calculated by taking a help of the parallelogram rule. So this V is calculated again with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. The value of V is resultant value of voltage across resistance and the voltage across the capacitor. Here the voltage applied across the circuit is represented by V is equal to V naught sin omega t. This is your equation first. And second is current across the circuit is given by I naught sin omega t plus pi by 2. That is, the current it leads the potential by a phase angle pi by 2. Okay. Now, from the phasor diagram, from phasor diagram. The value of here is A, this point is B. Phasor diagram in triangle OAB. OB is equal to square root of VR square plus BC square. Clear? Now, this value is given by IR square plus IXC square. ठीक है? Now, I is taken as common and we get the result is R plus XC, R square plus XC square. This is the value of V. Now, here we get V upon I is equal to square root of R square plus XC square. This is the value of impedance in the circuit containing resistance and capacitor only. Okay. Here Z V upon I is also called Z and called the reactance across the LCR circuit containing resistance RS circuit. ठीक है? RC. This value is R square plus XC square. Okay. Now, to find the phase of the voltage and the current, ठीक है, tan phi is equal to AB upon OA. This value is VC upon VR. Now, tan phi is equal to IXC upon IR. Here I cancel and you will get the direction of the current leads by the resultant potential is tan phi is equal to XC upon R. Okay. Here XC is equal to 1 upon omega. Note down this. Next and very most important circuit is LCR circuit. Okay. In the next lecture we will understood about the LCR circuit. Thank you.